Welcome to the PropFirm Expo.
Trade the move and not necessarily the position.
Hi bro, how are you? Too many people, they're closing it down.
Whilst if you just stick to one larger position, you see a lot more stability and, in my opinion, success.
These guys, they know what they're doing, that's all I'm going to say.
Yes, we're here in London at the PropFirm Expo, where we've been invited to come and speak to over 2,000 traders about our own PropFirm experiences, what prop firms we use, and the overall strategies that we apply. There's over 50 different prop firms here, everything from funding pips to Apex to Alpha Capital. Can't wait to bring you guys along. It's a full circle moment for myself because I was actually born here in London, born and raised for over 12 years of my life. So just happy to be here and I'm going to enjoy this amazing day.
Head to over in London, his name's Eddie Gray.
I'm the highest in the room.
A warm welcome. We cannot complain, guys. Fabio arranges the hotel room, you see where we stay. I never trust anybody else with the hotel rooms, bro. In the city of London, good vibes always when we're here. On our way to the panel at the moment, where we're going to be talking about different topics such as risk management, how much risk we use when trading with prop firms, and for example, what's more important, strategy or psychology?
So a couple guys that are coming over from the community, meeting them for the first time in person, so really excited, and yeah, also good to do some in-person things. Are you good? How are you doing? Hi bro, how are you? Good to see you.
Really Vlad, the mastermind behind all of the fundamental stuff that you're seeing in these vlogs.
My brothers don't die, we just fussy bop. I tell you, I got to link me at the coffee shop. Getting freaky in the
Oh
sheets.
shit, where have we ended up, guys? 30 degrees central London, and this shit is busier than... What's very busy?
Tuna in a can.
Tuna in a can. I feel like tuna in a can here.
Welcome to the PropFirm Expo.
So what we have here is Lucid Trading. Lucid Trading, in my opinion, one of the best futures prop firms out there because they have the 50% consistency rule. Any futures firm that doesn't have a 50% consistency rule, some have, for example, 30%, I preferably don't use. What's your name? Lewis. Yeah. Ah, you're Lou. Hey, this is Lou FX. Oh, what's the expression in English when people miss it?
Packed. Absolutely packed.
Backstage, guys. Backstage. Come. Look where we are, guys. It all started with one big dream from the bedroom in my parents' house, and now we're here. PropFirm have outdone themselves. Big shout out to them, all the way here in London.
Summertime started, pretty ones marching, gotta have the members steady. No half-hearted, suns out blasting, gotta have my white tees ready. Pretty little thing, no Betty, but she get the ugliest necky.
Yeah, you're gonna kill it like always. It's basically live stream but in person.
Alright, it's someone drunk with a Henny, but I'm kinda lit already. Got girls asking for dick already.
Is trade the move and not necessarily the position. And what I mean by that is pretty much everyone in this room understands that price is going to move from, let's say, point A to point B. But if you then look at your overall positions, you're trying to long and then short, then long and then short, and then long and then short again. Whilst if you just stick to one larger position by trading from that point A towards point B, one, you limit the amount of positions that you take, and therefore, let's say, the inconsistency in your results. At the same time, you see a lot more stability and, in my opinion, success with that. Well, guys, what a pleasure, man. Able to share value. That's what it's all about. I hope I said some good stuff, though.
I know about you. I've talked to people that have come from it. Like, I've learned your approach, and it's nice, man, because at the end of the day, we've all got different approaches. We're all here for one reason, it's trading.
Here we have Dom all the way from Leeds, correct?
Yeah, man. Yeah, came down this morning, 2 hours on the train. Happy to be here.
Dom has done with multiple firms more than 10 payouts. Like, that's really rare. Like, what is your secret to doing 10 plus payouts with one firm?
Just patience, not taking it too quick. I think my situation's good because I have a full-time job, so it's not like I need this money, it's just extra money. So I don't feel the pressure, I don't need to rush things, take it slow, and you'll get there eventually, man.
So I'm Noam, I funded Award, and we basically make plaques for funded traders. That's that is natural. Go ahead, you want to hold one?
Yeah, I want to hold one.
Hello guys, this is my max allocation with FDMO, just awarded. I just full ported my BTC shorts and I got this straight away from FDMO. I went to the booth to get. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Guys, tomorrow, penthouse party in Canary Wharf, 29th
Views
floor.
on JP
My
Morgan.
guy, he is inviting everyone. Everybody is welcome. All come to Canary Wharf. It's gonna be a big party. Oi, bom dia. Tudo bem?
Over 20,000 plus.
Guys, this is my Brazilian brother from TCA.
Yo, my name is Marcelo, and that's it, bro. We're here on Vibes. We're gonna
No
try and steal
words
some
needed,
accounts.
man. Steal some accounts.
Well, at this rate, with the queue, I'm stealing the bags.
Oh, look, bro.
Still pips. Oh yeah, look. See, I'm getting busted. I'm getting broken into the.
You're doing him good. Let's go for the back entrance, bro.
Yeah, back entrance.
Alright, so we're heading off for lunch after speaking at the event. It was an amazing experience and we were able to share a lot of value. The main topics that we talked about were being different PropFirm accounts. So for example, never buy one account, but always buy two. Trade them independently. Furthermore, I also talked about trading the overall move and not the position. It was an amazing experience to speak to a lot of traders, also traders that are inside the TCA community. On the PropFirm side, not very interesting. They gave away some 5K accounts. Yeah, man. And guys, it is so strange that the market is closed. We're up around 0.07% from the position from the previous vlog in Zealand. Oh my God, it's Marcelo Pereira! Man, this guy sneaked into the PropFirm Match Expo. There was a massive line. It was super busy.
Too many people. They're closing it down.
They're closing it down?
Yeah, I think so, man. They were saying to me they're closing the whole event down, man. I don't know what to say.
We saw some new articles from Bloomberg coming in that actually the Strait of Hormuz is lighting up again. So in front of the house, no more boats are passing.
Overdone it. Overshot.
So in the previous vlog, we also talked about AI being much more superior when combined with fundamentals as opposed to technicals. Now we have Vlad here, who's actually one of the masterminds behind implementing AI with fundamentals in TCA.
It's essentially kind of like a centralized brain. You can call it a Jarvis that has certain like barriers that we put in, and based on those barriers, it consumes real life events, real life articles, evaluates what's going on in the world, and essentially gives you more or less long-term perspective on a currency that you can trade.
Hey Marcelo, you trade full-time or?
I've got a gardening and landscaping business here in London. We also maintain properties and clean properties. So yeah, follow MF Property Services on Instagram. If you're in London, if your auntie has a garden, your dad has a garden, your cat has a garden, you know where to go.
How's it to trade and have your own company full-time?
Yeah, well it's not always easy. Sometimes I'm on the charts on the motorway. I'm entering positions manually on the motorway. It is what it is. You do what you got to do.
How did the one-to-one mentorship change your trading?
I started trading in 2017. I made $0 for nearly 8 years, and then I met you guys and I met Yele, and we made some dollars. So that's exactly how it changed. It changed from nothing to everything, really. The whole mindset shift, strategy, actually having a plan, actually having structure to what I'm doing.
See, that's what you get when you have a good piece of brains and a simple strategy. You make money.
Don't touch me, I'm a real live wire.
Good to see you, man. Good to see you too.
Big man of Alpha Capital, guys. Big man.
Hello and welcome to Trader Turnaround.
That's it. Representing. Boom. These guys, they know what they're doing, that's all I'm going to say. So the results speak for
You're
themselves.
famous now, bro. You're hanging with TGR and shit.
Yeah, bro, my life's changed, like, in the space of the last year. My life's
since
just
the
completely
podcast,
flipped.
like since we did the event.
Yeah,
you said like, I'm going to do content for Alpha, and then suddenly I see you on a video with PB Trading and see
yeah,
TGR.
I know, like, I did her podcast, like, out in Austin, Texas. We went out there and I did her podcast, and that was like this crazy full circle thing of like, yeah, never would have thought it, man.
The menu looks amazing, guys. Yeah, lekker. You guys know lekker? In Dutch we say everything you like is lekker. That was absolutely amazing.
Because I'm absolutely starving.
Another city, another gelato. It is time for the famous gelato taste test that we do in every single vlog from now on. I give it a 7 out of 10. It's a sign to open my MetaTrader. Let's see.
what's going on the MetaTrader. But as you can see, nothing is moving because it is a fucking Saturday evening. Good morning. How are you?
Good, man. Good.
I'm enjoying my Sunday breakfast. Checking in with Bloomberg at the moment. Situation in the Middle East is currently escalating, so during my Sundays I just like to catch up with the news. We can see that the situation between Iran and the United States, but now also Bahrain is getting involved. Ships are not going through the Strait of Hormuz. This is good for us as we're currently in long positions, in dollar long positions, and in euro and in pound shorts. So this should be a good one. During the weekends, the main focus always just lies on checking in with the markets, understanding what the overall narrative is going to be for the week ahead. We're going to enjoy our breakfast, and then we're going to head out to a few friends of ours from Funded Award, as we're going to be doing some content together with them. They have an amazing apartment on the 29th floor in Canary Wharf. Bring you along.
I need the cards for it.
Hoe vaak moet je even zien?
I'll be back in a sec, guys.
He didn't get the memo.
Morning, guys.
Just another Sunday in the life of Rutger. You know, waking up in the bathrobe, everybody smiling at him, man. It must be good to be Rutger, no?
Lekker.
The man them too inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Finnegan. She got thick but she wanna get thin again, drinking apple cider vinegar, wearing skim cause she wanna be Kim in them. Alright, I know they are bad, stop acting innocent.
Guys, we're doing some fun content here. It's good. We're Funded Award in the city centre of London, Canary Wharf, with a beautiful view, JP Morgan in the back. The setting is amazing.
Hey, look, as opposed to, for example, when you see that the market is going to make a bullish leg in towards the highs, as opposed to trying to time the market perfectly and trade the overall position from, let's say, point A to point B, let's just trade the overall move from point A towards point B, meaning that you trade the whole swing up with a much wider stop loss, as opposed to trying to scale into the move every single time. For us, there's no session.
Because you do swing trading.
Yeah, for us, there's no session. That's again the benefit. Like, we can be anywhere in the entire world. It doesn't matter, and we can trade any place, anytime, anywhere, and that's the beauty, in my opinion, of swing trading.
You know, as traders, you know the stats better than I. Only 6%, 8% of traders pass the challenge. You know, you get into trading, you learn about trading, you backtest trading, you demo trading, you live trading. On average, it takes 10 months for traders to pass their first challenge. And when they pass it, all they get is a PDF saying, congrats, you passed your challenge.
Yeah.
Now go on, move on.
Funded Award changes that.
We changed that exactly to give funded traders that milestone to be on their desk 24/7.
Funded Award gives the trader the recognition that he actually deserves.
Yeah, it's both of them, the celebration of progress, but also motivation for the next challenges.
Motivation to spend more money and waste more money on challenges.
Make more money.
The single biggest advocate for more profit
Please
spending.
pass more challenges. Please pass more.
I know they are bad, stop acting innocent. We ain't got generational wealth, it's only a year that I've had these millions.
I think I've seen the guy with the biggest feet in the entire world.
I was fast and furious, I went from the Toyota Yaris to Urus. They had their chance but blew it. Now this gal want me and her uterus. Fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as her life is squinting. Can't just stare, we're bae through thick and thin. She already fixed on halfway there.
London in it, guys. The full London experience. Dutchies in London. Watch out, bro.
And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find.
Look at Rutger's long legs.
So, final dinner.
Final dinner, small little poker bowl, light work. I think we should play a little game. Add the pair to the person. When you film a person, we need to think of what currency pair that person is.
The guy with the Pomeranian. Pomeranian. Exotic.
I would say that is
highly volatile? Or
highly volatile, but at the same time it has massive spreads. So I would say
a Swiss pair.
No, yeah, no,
a cat
no,
Swiss.
No, it's more a knock JPY.
Knock JPY.
Yeah.
Fair,
very
fair,
exotic,
fair.
with massive spreads, with a touch of Asian.
You have the guy with the hat. Mullet. What do you think?
With the hat and the mullet, Aussie dollar, because the hat is a little bit American, but the mullet is definitely Australian, so we'll give him an Aussie dollar. Give me a difficult one, bro. These have been too easy.
The guy with the orange shirt.
Yeah, that's euro against the Chinese yuan. Because the euro, because of the orange shirt, so Dutch, and in Holland, in the Netherlands we use the euro, and then he's obviously Chinese, so euro, Chinese yuan.